Here is Lillian recording my grandma's dogs, Rebel, the boy, and Kiki, the girl. I'm going to be walking around, following them, and watching what they do. Right now, they're just sleeping.
I think we need to talk to Mr. Gilbert.
Rebel. Come on, bud. Get up. No one wants to play fetch? You, Kiki? You want to play fetch? Come on. Good girl. Oops. Drop that.
You guys always bring me various findings. You think you're in a hot place? That's what we're looking for. Is there any
Rebel.
There is no.
Come on.
Here's the truth of the city. What I see. And there's the public.
Oh. I forget what Kiki is. Rebel's a pit mix. Oh. They're both nuts. Everybody can't catch me! Oh, you caught me. Okay. Yay! You jumped up on the couch! Sniff. Ah, help. Dog attack. Jeez. So this is basically just part one. I'll record some interesting stuff. You know what else I am. And now all they want to do is sleep. They're lazy. You're lazy fool. So guys, it's the end of part one. Very short. And just so you know, this is recorded by Lillian, Michelle's friend, the one from MNK. And that's pretty much it. So please like and subscribe. Bye.